everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to download Google Chat app. All right. If you're using iOS, as you can see here, I'm using Android. The steps are similar. Just go ahead and locate your respective app store. And as you can see here, I'm using Android, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on Play Store. All right, let's just wait for it to load. Now, once you're in here, just tap on the search function right here. Now go ahead over to the search bar, tap on it. Now just type in Google Chat. Once done, just tap on the first search result. And as you can see here, Google Chat is available. Just go ahead and install it right away. If you want to install it to a different phone, just go ahead and tap on this drop down right here, and you'll be able to see a list of your phones. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on install right here and just wait for it to finish. As you can see here, as fast as that, it is done. Just hit on open to open up the Google Chat app. Just hit on allow if you want to receive notifications. All right. And as you can see here, I am automatically logged in, and you might be as well, as we have already signed into Play Store right here using our Gmail. All right. That's basically how you download Google Chat app on your phone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.